My name is Sharon Small, and I am from Washington State in the United States of America. And in 2019, I completed an associate's degree in psychology, and in 2021, I graduated with a bachelor's degree in communication disorders and deaf education. During the past few months, I have been working with CIYOTA on developing and providing a counseling program for secondary students. And part of doing that program is just spending a lot of time getting to know the students and listening to them and even enjoying the hobbies that they enjoy so that I can build a strong relationship with them and they feel safe sharing about their experiences. I also have gotten to just listen to their stories and even revise with them when they're preparing for exams. I have sat with students who just need a place to cry. And I think one of the things I enjoy the most about being part of this program is that when students come in to talk to me, they are often distressed and feeling very discouraged about something. And then they share what's going on, and afterward they are smiling and telling me that they already feel better. One part of development that I have noticed is a higher level of thinking critically about how to improve on what I do and how to study more so that I can be in a constant state of improvement. And I have spent a lot of time just studying the problems that are brought to me and even counseling as a whole so that I can go back to students and give them the best that I have to offer. One thing I really appreciate about CIYOTA is that there are so many different cultures represented here. And it's been so good for me to see how CIYOTA takes all of those different cultural backgrounds and uses it to empower students rather than divide them. And as I have observed them, I have learned a lot about how to be a better learner of cultures and how to appreciate them and encourage the students in really taking pride in their culture. I have seen a lot of CIYOTA's mission being to value people and communities and families who don't feel valued and who have experienced a lot of suffering and challenges that make them feel worthless. And I really appreciate that CIYOTA steps in and gives them hope in a place where they don't feel a lot of hope and where it seems that life will continue to go on in a hopeless way. And what I really like about this mission is that I believe it really matches God's own mission for the world, and that God comes in and He gives us value when we don't feel value, and He is the one who gives us worth. And so I really enjoy working with an organization that matches God's mission in such an important way and gives hope to the hurting. My vision for Africans is that they will experience long-term unity, collaboration, and healthy leadership. What I observe from CIYOTA is that they work on teaching students how to work together and how to overcome their differences from being different tribes and different languages. And the staff here at CIYOTA also demonstrate healthy leadership and humility and grace toward the students. And I know that the students recognize that and they really look up to it and respect it. And as I've talked with students, many of them have told me that Cobras is the best school to study from, and they work very hard to be able to continue receiving an education here at CIYOTA because they value all of those skills that they are being taught. And I really believe that CIYOTA is growing a generation of students who are collaborators and problem solvers and who will bring a healthy future to Africa.